Come learn what matters at MIT WPU.
We as a staff, we started developing some products. Dr. Varade, Dr. Bedekar, Dr. B.M. Patil and the entire team. We said the first product we developed called mobile education. I will just brief in 5-10 minutes and I will sign off. We said the dropout rate in the villages are 72%. बच्चा 4th में गया तो 7th में जाने का चांस ही नहीं है. The farmer said, what is the use? We said, Swami Vivekananda said, if mountain is not coming to Muhammad, let Muhammad come to mountain. If the poorer is not coming to education, let education come to the poorer. So as a MIT group of institution, we came out with the mobile education solution. We developed one instrument called Phablet. Phone and tablet combined called Phablet. Solar based. We got some grant of 20 lakhs rupees from Ministry of HRD and as a team we started working on it. It's a Phablet. If you put it on, you will get the 3 icons on the screen. School icon, Krushi Utpanna Bajar Samiti, that is Bajar Bhav icon and hospital ka icon. If I click onto the education icon, you will get 1 to 10 numbers. If I am a student of 7, click onto the 7th, you will get the subjects. If I click onto the subject, you will get the chapters. And if you click onto the chapter, the animated professor will come and will start teaching you. 1 hour, followed by multiple choice question answer session. And for every correct answer, the Ganeshji inside will give a laddu to the boy inside the screen. That's a fantastic developed, submitted it later. So many ministers, they came, yes, we would like to implement it, alana falana, but nothing could happen. But that product is still remain with MIT. Then we developed mobile agriculture. In the 6 by 6 acre ka land, we put the wireless sensor networks in hexagonal format. And the farmer will be getting information on his mobile after every 1 hour, 13 parameters. What is the soil moisture? What is the soil temperature? What is the dew point? What is the rainfall? All these 13 parameters in his own language. We took the help of CDAC and we developed it, GUI. All weather sensing networks, all the sensors we imported. And we developed this entire product on MIT campus. Many of our students, they came out with the, if you prick here, so mobile health, and if you take a photograph with your Android mobile, you will get the 3 parameters on your screen, red blood cell, white blood cell, and many others. So very useful. Doctor to patient ratio in villages is 1:2,700. It's a very pathetic ratio. How we can support the villages? How we can support the villagers? They need to travel from their own village to the city place or district place. So by just taking a simple photograph of your blood and if you can send it to the city doctor, he will diagnose whether it is chikungunya, dengue, typhoid. And this project very well appreciated by the Abdul Kalam Sahab. I don't know whether he came twice or thrice on this campus and he interacted with the students in those days. We worked with the BlackBerry, Dr. Varade, Dr. Bedekar, and many others, finding out the missing children. We all use the technology of digital image processing, the distance between your nose and ear. We asked the police station to take the photographs of the mother and father. And we predicted how this boy will look like after 5 years, after 10 years, after 15 years. All the technique developed in-house. We found a solution for the Pune-Bombay highway traffic management system. So, lot of projects we developed. The list is very on. But then, after getting the enough competence within the faculties, we thought that we should transfer it to the students, and we motivated students in 2017 to take up the various ideas and various approaches to the problem statement given by the 29 ministries in the year 2017.